Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. This is part 5. We are now doing the test drive on the Toyota Corolla 2008, and we're making sure the customer and the car are as one and they feel good about it. Thus far, the car, you can't even feel it even shift. She's going 70 miles an hour. The air conditioner is blaring, and thus far there's no shaking, there's no noise. And when you do a pre-purchase inspection or inspection on the car, make sure the radio is off. Do not let the salesman turn this on, because you want to hear any odd noises, shaking, bumps, thumps, or whatever the case may be. J. Clyde Morris. You got a ways to go. We're still driving. We do not feel anything funny. She just hit the gas because I can feel it. It's nice and smooth. Toyota and Honda are the best cars, hands down. They have very good resale value. They also last up to 200,000 to 300,000 miles easy. So as long as the vehicle is taken care of. This car has some wear and tear on it, but it's all superficial stuff. This can be replaced, but the radio works. This is hanging out a little bit, but this can be glued back in. But at the end of the day, I thus far is giving a thumbs up to this vehicle. I will be doing a part 6 when we pull over, and we're going to be looking up under the car after we drove it on the interstate. If you like, subscribe and share. And like I said, if you are a mobile mechanic, you can make a lot of money just on pre-purchase used car inspections. I sell the paperwork to give to the customer, and I sell the paperwork just for you for your whole entire pre-purchase inspection, section by section by section, that could be customized to your business. It will be in the description, or you can get a hold of us on the mobilemechanic 757.com, or you can call us 757-296-8422. Thank you.